Introduction: the AI Big Bang. Our world is changing. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the driving force. Like a Big Bang, it's expanding into every corner of our lives. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. From self-driving cars to composing music, AI is pushing boundaries. It's challenging our assumptions about what's possible. This new era of AI is more than just algorithms. It's a tool, a partner, a force for good. AI is empowering us. It's helping us unlock our creative potential. It's making us more productive. In this new reality, understanding AI is crucial. It's no longer a niche topic for tech experts. Join me as we explore this exciting new frontier.
The creativity engine, AI and the arts. The realm of creativity was once considered uniquely human. Now, AI is breaking down those barriers. AI is becoming a powerful tool for artists. Musicians are using AI to compose original scores. Painters are collaborating with AI to generate stunning visuals. Writers are finding new inspiration through AI-powered writing assistants. Imagine a world where AI helps you write a symphony or paint a masterpiece. This is the potential of AI in the arts. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data. They can identify patterns and generate novel ideas. This collaboration between human and machine is leading to groundbreaking art forms. AI is enhancing creativity, pushing the boundaries of artistic expression.
Productivity powerhouse AI in the workplace. AI is revolutionizing the way we work. From automating mundane tasks to providing insightful data analysis, AI is boosting productivity. Imagine lawyers using AI to analyze legal documents in seconds, or doctors leveraging AI to diagnose diseases with greater accuracy. AI-powered tools are streamlining workflows, automating repetitive tasks, and freeing up human employees to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their jobs. This collaboration between humans and AI is creating a more efficient and productive work environment. The workplace of the future is one where humans and AI work side by side.
The impact of AI extends far beyond the art studio and the office. In healthcare, AI is being used to develop new drugs and treatments, diagnose diseases with greater accuracy, and even provide personalized healthcare recommendations.
It's revolutionizing entire industries, from healthcare to finance to manufacturing. In finance, AI is transforming the way we invest, manage risk, and detect fraud. Manufacturing is being revolutionized by AI-powered robots that can work alongside humans with greater precision and efficiency.
AI is enabling us to solve complex problems, make better decisions, and create innovative solutions. This data-driven approach is leading to breakthroughs in various fields.
AI is transforming our personal lives. From personalized recommendations on streaming services to smart home devices that anticipate our needs, AI is enhancing our daily experiences. Imagine a world where your smartphone anticipates your needs before you even realize them. Where your car navigates through traffic while you relax. AI is powering a new generation of personalized experiences. Streaming services use AI to recommend movies and shows based on our viewing history. Smart home devices learn our preferences and adjust the lighting, temperature, and even our coffee maker settings accordingly. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more personalized and intuitive experiences in the future.
The AI revolution is here. It's transforming our world in profound ways. From boosting creativity to enhancing productivity to revolutionizing industries, AI is changing the way we live, work, and interact with each other. The future of AI is full of possibilities. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative applications that will further improve our lives. However, with great power comes great responsibility. We need to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly, fairly, and for the benefit of all. By approaching AI with a thoughtful and ethical framework, we can harness its power to create a better future for ourselves and generations to come.